Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to turn off Siri on your Mac, whether you're using a MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, or any other macOS device. If you'd rather not have Siri listening for voice commands like Hey Siri, you can disable it in just a few clicks. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, it really helps the channel. Thanks. To get started, click the Apple icon at the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings from the menu. Once you're in, scroll down the sidebar and tap on Siri and Spotlight or Siri and Apple Intelligence, depending on your macOS version. Here, you'll see options like Listen for Hey Siri and Ask Siri. If you don't want Siri responding to your voice, simply turn off Listen for Hey Siri. To completely disable Siri, switch off Ask Siri. A pop-up will appear asking if you're sure. Just confirm by clicking Turn Off. While you're here, you can also turn off Apple Intelligence features if you'd like. Just toggle them off, and you're done. That's it. Siri is now disabled on your Mac. If this helped, give the video a like, leave a comment if you have any questions, and make sure to subscribe for more easy Mac tutorials. See you in the next one.